Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Hyundai Elantra. First, ensure your engine is slightly warm, not hot, for optimal oil flow. Gather all necessary tools, including a wrench, oil filter remover, and a drain pan. You'll also need the correct engine oil and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands after lifting your vehicle on a level surface. Now that your Elantra is safely elevated, it's time to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it to avoid spills. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when working on your car. The Owala water bottle keeps your drinks cold for hours. Check the description for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an extra quarter turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.